Did you know that Ken Thompson made the entire Unix operating system in just 3 weeks? If you want to know more, stick to the episode. So it all gets started in 1969 when Ken Thompson was working on MULTICS project for his company Bell Labs. The Bell Labs, along with General Electrics and MIT, was working on a time-sharing operating system called MULTICS. So MULTICS was a complex and gigantic project. It required customized hardware from General Electrics, and the operating system was designed in MIT, and the contract was given to Bell Labs to codify that design. And Cam Thompson, along with his fellow coders, was working on this project. Ken Thompson was not that interested in working on this Multics project. He was bored because of the complexity of this project, and later Bell Labs also realized that this project is not for them, and they exited from this idea. And now only the General Electrics and the MIT was only the part of Multics project. Now Ken Thompson and his fellow mates were not doing as much because there was no responsibilities for them. Now Ken Thompson was playing with PDP-7. This was a microcomputer in 1969 and 1970s. He was trying to building some games over it, and he made some games like some spaceship and war-based games that we have used to play in our childhood. When he was playing with that PDP-7 computer, he realized that the disk I/O of that computer was highly underutilized, that it was not working on its maximum throughput. So he designed a program which would help anyone to maximize the throughput of any disk-based system. So he created that program, and then because this was a sophisticated program, he needed some testing suite to test that program in different conditions. So Ken started to build a testing suite for himself. Sooner he realized that he's just 3 weeks away to create a new operating system. He just need one text editor to write the program to test the code. Second, he need an assembler to convert that text-based code to the machine understandable code, or should I say the machine language. And third, he need an overlay layer to work as a kernel. And then coincidentally, his wife went to visit his father and mother in California for 3 weeks. And Ken Thompson was all alone in his house and was getting bored. So he coded the entire Unix operating system's version 1 in just 3 weeks. And now the world has its first version of Unix computer. So that's how the Unix built in under 3 weeks, I would say. And this Unix operating system was revolutionary in sense that it encouraged the philosophy of reusability and modularity, and introduced the concept of pipes and had hierarchical file systems and whatnot. So it was a pioneer in the computer science space at that time. So that's how the Ken Thompson and his fellow mates changed the world in 3 weeks, I would say. The key takeaway from the story is the passion Ken Thompson had for computers. He coded the entire Unix operating system in just 3 weeks. And there is a popular story that he coded the grep tool, which we all know, and it is quite popular in the system admins domain, in just one night to impress his boss. So that kind of passion he had regarding programming. Thanks guys for watching this video. This was my first YouTube video. If you want to see more content like this, please hit that subscribe button, like and share this video with your friends, and I'll see you in the next video.